there's a complicated sort of mess of systems out there. We've got two. They're sort of lined up like planes coming in for a landing, if you will. All right, let me get you outside. Here's the picture. It's a basically good-looking sky overhead. It's cold. It's 32 degrees. You're right at the freezing mark. Feels like 26 with the wind chill. High temp today was 36, 2 degrees. Cooler than the average tomorrow. I think we're going above the average. I think the high temp's going to be about 40 degrees tomorrow. It'll be the warmest day this week. So look at this. This is what we're going to be chatting about right now. I will give you the latest on the weekend storm. We are a bit more confident on the track of this storm today than we were yesterday. And with this current track, it looks like we're going to start off with snow, but then turn over to rain for a lot of folks, and then a real big drop in temperature. So a potentially dangerous refreeze will take place within 12 to 18 hours. I mean, this could be one of the biggest parts of this storm. So what do you expect? 2 snow chances this week. Thursday late into early Friday, and then again Saturday late into early Sunday. The Saturday PM storm, that's the big one, okay? That's got big snowfall numbers, but not the biggest in our area. As for Thursday, modest numbers. It's just poor timing during the overnight hours right into the morning commute on Friday. Looks like anywhere from a trace to 3 inches. That 3 inches or more would be well north, but if you're commuting in Friday morning from, let's say, Poughkeepsie or Monroe or Newburgh, yeah, it could be a tough drive Friday morning. 1 to 3 outside the city, north and west, and then a trace to 1 for New York City and east and south of that. If you look at the big storm for the weekend, look at the enormous numbers inland. I mean, well inland, like around Syracuse, biggest number on the board, 31.4. Frenchville, Maine, not far behind, 30.0. 29.6 Burlington, 19.6 Buffalo, 20 for Erie. Our area, Monticello, 7.3. New York City, like an inch or so, and then less as you go south and east with that situation as well. Vortex radar and satellite. Up and over we go. There's your first storm out in California. Right behind that is what's going to end up being the bigger storm for both California and for the East Coast as well. But the question is it a coastal storm or is it more inland? If you take a look here at the Futurecast, this is Sunday, 1 a.m. You've got that snow line right over the city. This is your big storm, turning over to big rain, however, but you've got to watch this. If it doesn't make the turnover, well, then you've got bigger numbers. But we really believe that's what's going to take place. Then the real cold air comes in for Monday. Watch this. Sunday, 2 p.m. It's 48 degrees. So you started off, it was cold enough for snow, but it turns to rain. 48 degrees Sunday. This is going to be a big part of the storm. 48 Sunday at 2 p.m. By 8 a.m. Monday, it's 7. Look at that. You've dropped almost 40 degrees in about 18 hours. You got to watch out for that refreeze early Monday morning. So, again, I think the focus is going to be on Saturday going into Sunday for the huge storm. Right now, it looks like the huge portion of it, not in our area, but we will deal with this storm in one way or the other. If it makes a wobble, we could have some big problems on our hands.
All right, Lonnie, thank you.